Hey, this product was recommended by I Am Alpha M, and now it broke. Hey, my name is Michael and welcome to my YouTube channel. With over 300 videos on this channel, we are helping men look smart. If you're still looking for your style and how you want to look and where you want to be, ask us a question. I personally reply to every single question, every single comment. A while back, a friend of us, Aaron Marino from I Am Alpha M, recommended this. This is a Brio sort of beardscape kind of product. Very nice, very easy to use. Sort of had some excellent reviews, and I sort of through his recommendation I decided to buy it. It wasn't cheap, but I was after one and I decided to give this a shot. Now, after 6 months, it's doing this. The battery doesn't last 5 seconds. What do you do? So very quickly I decided to sort of reply to Brio and say to them like, oh, listen guys, you know, out of the blue, I wasn't too sure about the company itself, whether they actually gonna be able to help me or not, whether they'll be willing to do any offer, or whether they, you know, maybe can somehow fix it, send me on the battery. Maybe there is a plug or change, or somehow I can fix this. But I was very surprised with their response, because Eric from Brio said this to me: we have a shipment en route to UK fulfillment centers, and I would expect to be shipping a brand new shaver for you anytime soon. Because apparently on occasion they had issues with these batteries, and on occasion they had to swap them about and they had to change the products because of the battery issue. Okay, Eric, let's see if you can do it. And look what I just got in the post: a brand new Beardscape shaver, and I would imagine that it's gonna be a slightly upgraded version from the one that I have, the one that broke. Look, it started working again. Oh, it stopped again. So this is how inconsistent it is, and if you put it on charge, it kind of keeps flashing, and I was thinking about whether it can cause any damage. So I thought, well, I maybe don't want to use it at all really, because what if that creates somehow, you know, a problem down the line, because maybe you're going to leave it connected overnight, it sort of charges overnight, and all of a sudden the battery blows or whatever else. So I wasn't 100% sure about this, so that's why I decided to get in touch with Eric. Now, if that's what it is, if they give some sort of guarantee, I think Eric said, no, it didn't say anything about lifetime guarantee, but I'm pretty sure I've seen this somewhere on their website. Yeah, because maybe, you know, their support email is support@brioforlife.com. So I wonder if we go online at Brio for Life, and it says about for limited offer, and I think that's what I went, $58. It's cheaper than Amazon or whatever else. So I bet Alpha M gets like really nice sort of, you know, discount or whatever product fee for that. But that's fine. I'm all for that. Well, it doesn't say, but the website is Brio for Life, so I would imagine that's what they do. But this is a very nice package. So well done, sort of Brio, for doing that. And I want to do a really quick design for you. Well, I want to quickly unpack this for you. So nice packaging. It says beyond register and receive 10% of your next order, warranty registration, so you've got a little card to register. You've got also a Beardscape guide. I was surprised at first that you have to kind of oil it probably every time you use it, or every other time you use it. So read this. It's a very interesting stuff. Ooh, it is new design. Ooh, look at that. It's a Batman design. Ooh, I like it better. So that's the original design. That's the one that broke, which is the sort of grey. And this is the new one. This is the black design. Probably way more or less the same. Probably the shape is more or less the same. I'll put it on charge, I'll see what they say about charging it, but usually all those products you have to charge for at least 12 hours before the first use. I don't have to use it straight away. Oh, I like it better. I like it better. See what else is in the box. So of course you've got a standard charger there in the box, like a socket, like a charging port. I would imagine it'll be, yes, beautifully sort of laid out, the oil and the brush and the attachments, and also the charger, so everything you've got there. I'm pretty sure it's going to be an amazing sort of trimmer, because I used the previous one, but I used it for a few months. What I liked about it is that, you know, you've got 3 kind of different movements here. So you can actually move the head up and down here. So that goes from 1.3 to 1.9 centimeter. So that's how you sort of move it, and that's the sort of length that you're going to have. So that's that. There is obviously attachments there. There is a nice docking station, so it could be sort of put on that docking station. I've got a charging ports there, so I'm going to do that. It's going to look nice, it's going to look presentable. The attachments are 3/6mm, and plus that extra sort of manual movement here for the length. You've got the extra bits as well. I like it a lot. It's solid, it's heavy, it's nice, kind of easy to clean as well. You just pop that right out, you just clean it and you put it back in. Very easy. So what I'm going to do is obviously go for different speeds as well. I never sort of used higher speeds, but you can have like a 70 revs per minute, or you can go down to 50 revs. That's how it sounds like. That's 70. Yeah, so overall I'm going to charge it right now. I just want to let you know that go for the Alpha M link. I think it's $58. I'll link it down in the product description as well. Amazing brand, absolutely committed for the customer experience, customer service. Alpha M, thank you so much for showing that product to me in the first place. Guys, if you're looking for a beard trimmer, hair trimmer, this is the one to get. International shipping, amazing product. Go and use the Alpha M code. Yeah, it's gonna be good. You're gonna enjoy this one. This is my little recommendation, and the words of thank you from me to Brio for sending me a replacement of my broken one. And of course, right now I have to go and trim my beard, don't I? Stay stylish. See you soon. Hi, it's Michael Frackowiak here. I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you may ask, why should I do that? Well, every week I'll post 3 new videos focusing on helping you to become a better man. Helping you looking smart, that's all I do. And yes, you will feel uncomfortable, and yes, you may laugh at times, but also you're going to be inspired and motivated. Most importantly, you will get a set of skills that is going to transform your life and your business. Simply working better. Ultimately, it's going to make you more money. So go ahead, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my single episodes. And I promise you, you will not regret it.